Yeah, so there's a thought experiment in quantum mechanics, apparently, relates to a cat in a box. It's called Schrodinger's cat. And the theory goes that a cat would be placed in a box with a vial of poison, and the poison would then be released depending on the decaying of a nuclear isotope or something like that. I'm sure I'm getting it completely wrong, and I'm sure someone will correct me. Well, I've kind of got the equivalent to that. I don't have a cat in a box. I'm not horrible. I'm not nasty or evil or anything like that. I do have an Amstrad in a box, and it arrived months ago actually. I've just not got round to opening the box yet, but with the computer I did get a green screen CRT monitor, and anyone who knows, who's ever tried to ship a CRT through the post, knows what a lottery that can be. So yeah, I present you with Schrodinger's Amstrad. I don't know if the CRT is going to be intact on this thing or not, but I thought we'd take a look together. So let's get into it. There's something. There's another something. I've heard something. I presume this is the monitor. Presumably this will be the base unit for the PC with the CRT, but how many pieces are we going to have? Right, let's get this out. Ugh. Looks to be in one piece. I might have got away with that. Okay, let's have a bit of a deeper look at it. So on a quick visual inspection, it actually looks okay. It's a little bit dirty and a little bit yellowed, but I think it's allowed to be. The only thing I know about it is it doesn't work. The seller said he's powered it up and the screen will come to life, but he can't get anything on the screen. So the machine itself appears to be dead. That's fine. I'm not going to fix it in this video. I'm not even going to attempt to. That's not what this video is about. I just wanted to see if it survived its transportation. So far it seems to have. It'll be a repair video for another time when I've got less projects and more time, because time is somewhat precious at the moment. But it's a lot smaller than I thought it was, given the size of the box. I mean, there's my hand, and yeah, tiny little thing. I don't know if it's a fully fledged PC or it's just a word processor. I don't know. I'll need someone from the Amstrad community who can maybe help me out with that. But it is a PCW 9256. So there you go. It's one of them. I've never heard of them before. I got it because it was cheap and I was looking for a project. I don't know what it's got around the back. Warning, high voltage. Yeah, it is a CRT, so I do need to be careful with that. It's got a power socket and a printer socket at the back, and that is it, unless there's something behind that cover. I'm not seeing anything. Okay, let's see what was in the other packages. It came with goodies. I've got 3 separate packages. This feels like cabling, but let's have a look. Get my knife out. My incredibly blunt knife. There we go. Yeah, looks like a power cable actually. There we are. Yep, how exciting. So what can this be? A somewhat yellowed keyboard, but oh, I like that. Excellent. Right, third and final package. Some weight to this one. It's a printer. Lovely. Okay. I wonder, is that a dot matrix? It looks like it. It's not a daisy wheel or anything. And there's an ink ribbon in it as well. Quite how good that's going to be after all these years, I don't know. But yeah, I wonder how compatible that is with other Amstrad machines. Probably not at all. But yeah, okay. So like I've said, this isn't going to be a repair video right now. I just want to see if the CRT survived. So I'm going to put power to it, which may or may not be a good idea. And I just want to see if the CRT actually lights up like they said it would. So I've left the printer off, I've plugged the keyboard in, I've got the power lead which I'll connect now. I've also got a fire extinguisher, just in case. I've also checked that my buildings and contents insurance is up to date, so we should be good to go. Provided it doesn't explode and kill me straight away, but if you're watching this video then I'm probably okay. So yeah, that's... so far so good. Nothing. Absolutely. Is that CRT doing anything? See, I'm not even getting high voltage there. Now I'm sure he said that was doing something, but I'm not even getting... I'm getting nothing. So either it's had a whack and something's come loose, or it wasn't getting power at all, which is actually maybe a better fail condition. It might indicate a simpler repair, I don't know, but that's doing nothing. Oh no, I had a flicker then. I did have a flicker. Where I can't hear any high voltage. So I don't know, there's nothing on the keyboard. But there was definitely a flicker when I turned... If you watch the screen, if I turn the power off, back on, there was a flicker. I hope that picks up on the camera, so... don't know. Now I can hear high voltage now. I think. No, I think I can hear some high voltage. Play about the brightness and contrast a little bit. So maybe the CRT is working, but the computer isn't starting up. Okay, yeah, I've just put my ear right to it and I can definitely hear the high voltage, so I think the CRT has survived. It might still have a fault, but I think the fault is going to be with the computer itself. Okay, that's fine. I know where I'm at with it now. That's all I wanted to check. The CRT appears to have survived. The computer is not working. If I turn the light out, can I see anything on that screen? I can't. Don't know. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video was purely to see if this survived in one piece, and it seems to have. So Schrodinger's Amstrad seems to be alive. I will come back to this with some videos and hopefully we'll get this machine running again. I don't know when that'll be. I've got a pile of other things that are kind of in the way at the moment, but yeah, we will get round to it. We will do something with it, but in the meantime, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.